Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, healing, and abundance and prosperity all your way. Please, I come with the message: bad health is big business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression is hitting us at an all-time high, all at the age of an all-time low. So bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. I love you. I miss you, Taurus. I come with you with your word of the day, which is vitality. I need you to look into your health, have great health practices at this moment. What does it benefit you to have poor health and a poor mind frame, and you have your world's desires, your heart's desires? You cannot even enjoy it. That's why they say health is wealth, because things are going to come: money, abundance, your life, your dream job, your manifestations, your everything that you've been asking for is coming your way. But if you can't enjoy it just because you're hurt, you're disabled, anything like that, it's not worth having. So I want you to check in on your vitals today. I want you to make sure you eat right, treat right, pamper yourself. Don't treat your body like a machine. If you treat it like one, it shall break down as such. So I need you on a massage bed at least twice a month. I need you to be around a chiropractor twice a month. Maintenance yourself, because as we work on ourselves and work on our daily lives by beating up our bodies and going through the rustle and bustle, I need to make sure we maintenance ourselves the right way. So eat right, treat right, drink a lot of water, get tons of sleep. Make sure you're getting your 8 hours proper sleep so you can recharge. I'm a being of light, and I accept my divine energy in my body, and every one of my cells regenerates. As it says, you are a being of light. You have to make sure your light is glowing as strong as possible, and the only way that we can do that is taking care of our vitals, taking care of our health. Make sure that our health is our wealth, is our number one priority, because if we feel well, then we can encourage and be the example for others to take on our abilities and our habits and our advice, because we're actually doing it. They can see it on ourselves. So as long as you're being a leader, not just being a spokesman, be that leader. So make sure that you're taking care of your vitals, taking care of your body. So love one another. Be kind to one another. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you, and I'll see you next time.